There's actually an elephant crossing the river up there. You can see it up there. It's pretty far away. It's snorkeling every now and then, coming up for it. There's a snorkel coming up there. You can see it. So he's just about close to the shore. He's started way over there. He's coming across here. There were two of them. I think this is the second one here. And he's going to make it onto shore here. And everybody is trying to see. We're jumping over each other like pups in a box here. But he's just about the shore up here. He's not quite. Pretty far away. There's a little snorkel coming up. He's almost made it. There's the other one right there. You can see him. He's right in the shadows, right over there. He's trying to get out of the water. Yeah, that's the big one here. Yeah. He's still inside there trying to get up on the shore. He's knocking down some trees and making a path. He's a pretty big boy there, I'll tell you. He looks a good size. Yeah, he's up there, right? The other one, I don't know what happened to him down there, but the big one's right in here somewhere.
Another one to the left. It is. What was that? That call back there? Really?
There's little tusk. Maybe it's not a baby with the tusk on it. He's drinking.
I know he's drinking, but
She's making it.
Thinking.
Oh, oh, dirt on. Yeah.
to sing that.
Oh, I'm so happy, Vicky.
You can do it. A little muddy.
The other one's doing that.